Let's talk about Zom 100. Guys, it's me, Letty. Welcome back to another Makeup Monday. So yeah, we're gonna be doing something that I've been wanting to do my makeup based off for a while, and I've been saying it in my other videos. But we're gonna be doing my makeup based off Zom 100. And I'm also gonna talk to you about it to like convince you that you have to watch it because it's just really good. Of course, I'm not gonna spoil anything if you do want to watch it. I'm just gonna kind of like talk about what you can already see in the trailer. But oh my god, I've been wanting to do this for so long. The colors in this anime are so vibrant. Like, I don't know if I have enough vibrant things to just get this on my face. Like, look at this. It's just so colorful. Anyway, let me tell you about it. So you start off with like meeting the main character, Akira, and you meet him. He's like so young and spry and excited for his first job at this like new production company that he said he's been dreaming of just getting into. So he's super excited to start his first day at this job. So it starts off, it seems like a normal job on his like first day, kind of, you know? Basically it's a corporate desk job with tight deadlines that he has to meet. However, it really doesn't take him that long to realize that this new job that he was like really excited for, really excited to start working at, like dreamed about working at. Anyway, this job it's an exploitive corporate company.
ああ、これ、あれだ。ブラックってやつだ。
So he's got like really tight deadlines to meet. His boss just is rude as heck. Like, damn.
いちいち聞いてんじゃねえよ。んなことも自分で判断できねえのかよ。
And he's just working like just all this overtime, unpaid overtime, to try to meet these really tight deadlines that they're expected to meet at this corporation. Now, this causes quite a bit of issues for him. Obviously, overworking himself, he's not getting enough sleep. He definitely doesn't have a social life. His like nutrition's bad. Since all he's eating is basically convenience store stuff, like he has no time to do anything. He's not cooking, not sleeping. His health is deteriorating. His hygiene's deteriorating. Well, his mental health. And he's basically just become a corporate zombie at this point. Once he's become this corporate zombie, you can kind of see his like, I'm guessing this is to kind of showcase that he's kind of fallen into a depression. But his like once colorful life that he saw before is now grayscale, black and white. His eyes are no longer young and full of excitement. They're dead inside. I was telling my friend about this anime the other day, and honestly, I assume that you have the same reaction that they had. Like, okay, this anime is called Zom 100, Bucket List of the Dead. So I assumed there's going to be zombies, but now you're telling me he's become a corporate zombie? Like, this is not what I thought it was going to be. It is. It is. I have not even scratched a little bit of the surface yet. Okay, I definitely do not have a vibrant enough yellow for this, but this is fine. Anyway, back to freaking telling you about Zom 100. So this is where the zombies are going to come into play. So he gets up and he had, I don't really remember, but like a phone call or like an email or a message, some kind of message, stating that he was late to pay for his bike space. Pretty sure it was bike space. Don't quote me on that. So he goes down to his like landlord office. I think that's what it was. Honestly, like this whole part for me, I was just kind of like, I understand that he was going to go kind of pay for his space that he was late for paying, but I'm just like, I don't know if this is like the landlord or what. Anyway, he goes down there, knocks on the door. He's like, hey, I'm here to pay for my space. I'm sorry I'm late, blah, 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 blah. I don't remember exact words. And then his eyes kind of like open really wide. And you see that the landlady or the receptionist, secretary, lady, person, I don't know, is just casually getting a little munchy munched on. Just became like a real life snack to a zombie.
Oh.
So then he kind of starts getting chased by a bunch of zombies. Oh man, this is it's hard to talk and do graphic liner at the same time. And while he's getting chased, all he's thinking is how he's about to be late for his job. Like, anyway, while he's getting chased, he gets like a moment of clarity and realizes he doesn't have to go to work.
あれこれってもう今日から会社行かなくてもいいんじゃね
So once he realizes this, like all of that color that he lost, you can hear me clicking this, but all of that color that he lost just kind of comes back into his world. Everything just goes back to being bright and vibrant again. Not only that, but like he also just doesn't look dead inside anymore. Like all of the youthful excitement that he had before starting this exploitive corporation is just back. What I really like about this character is that this corporation beat him down so bad to the point where a zombie apocalypse finally gives him a day off and he's excited for this to happen.
会社に行かなくていい一日ってなんて素晴らしいんだ
Literally the most important part of this, like, of him getting chased, the moment that he recognized due to this zombie apocalypse he wasn't gonna have to go to work. It just, the complete shift in attitude is crazy. It's awesome. I loved it so much. It's so funny, but also not funny. Like if you actually think about it, like this actually happens. But like, you know, not zombie apocalypses. Maybe. Like I'm not gonna say never, but like, you know. All right, my loves, this is the finished look. So this was also a different kind of video that I usually do. Let me know what you think. If you just like me kind of telling you about this anime, because I wanted to, because I want more people to watch it, because I want to talk about it. I want to talk about it to people. So I want to like kind of tell you about and show you like little parts of animes that I really like, to try to get you guys to also watch it if you watch anime, you know, if you also haven't seen it. So I really enjoyed this video. I know I didn't really explain a lot of how I did my makeup though. I'm just assuming that you got it. It was like a get ready with me while I tell you about this anime that I'm really interested in. Also, I got green splatters on my mic, just realizing that now. Also, I did forget to say, he's kind of after all that, after a few days after, he does sit down and start writing his bucket list of 100 things that he's gonna put on it. So I definitely recommend the anime. It's like a comedy zombie apocalypse kind of anime thing. It like kind of gives me Tallahassee Zombieland Twinkie thing, but like not really. Like it's funny. And that's funny. Okay, like listen, I can't explain to you why it makes me think of Tallahassee from Zombieland and how he fucking wanted a Twinkie. It's kind of like how this guy just wanted a day off work. Yeah. And the art style is really pretty. Like, it's really colorful. The zombies don't just bleed like red. They're not covered in red. They're very colorful, as I'm sure you saw in some of the clips that I posted. It's like rainbow, and I don't know if that's just like how the zombies bleed, because like when the main character bleeds, it's just red. Or if that's just kind of to show how he sees the world now. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. This was fun. Let me know if you watch this anime. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to talk about if you want me to talk about any other anime and do my makeup based off of it. But I'm gonna I'm gonna take a video close up on my phone and show you. But like, this is fun. I did like colorful splatters to kind of represent like the splatters of blood on the zombie thing, you know. Anyway, don't forget to follow me, like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube video. But don't forget to follow me on any of my other socials as well. I can keep you up to date because I post things. Sometimes I do like really fun makeup on Twitch. All of this is in my description, by the way. And yeah, you can ask me questions when I'm doing makeup on Twitch or when I'm not doing makeup on Twitch, because I also play horror games. We're playing the Dead Space remake right now. I streamed the original Dead Space like forever ago. Well, yeah, I think like a year or two ago. I don't remember. It took me a really long time, so I'm hoping it does not take me as long to finish the remake as it did to finish the original. They also they made me, well, they didn't make me, but they were like, you can start off on impossible mode, like you got this. And I was like, guys, no, I'm not good at gaming. However, I did play the original Dead Space on hard mode by accident. I didn't realize I put it on hard, or did I? I don't remember. So I did beat original Dead Space on hard. But yeah, I started this on impossible. I'm playing, then I'm like about to die, and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot I'm on possible. If I'm on impossible, I have to completely restart. So I was like, panic. And anyway, I did end up dying, but not at that part. Not at the part where I realized that I forgot that I was playing on impossible, like a part later on. Like, playing on impossible mode in a horror movie is like a new horror game. It's like a different kind of fear. Cause like, yeah, you get scared when like things pop up. I do anyway. Like, it's like, I'm also scared to die. Like, usually it's like, oh yeah, if I die, I just reload from my latest save point, blah, you know, whatever. No. If you're playing on impossible, like, you have to either keep going on hard or restart. Just completely restart. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys. I love you. Bye.
なぜこんな人物が生き延びてるのか。
こうなり俺もとことん楽しませてくれよな。
ベアトリクス・アメルハウザーと申します。